Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you in good condition and full of spirit. Thank you so much for coming to our video presentation today. Let me introduce my group. We are from group 5. My name is Korisa Siwasila and my partner is Irma Nifal. In this presentation, we would like to discuss the result of review of the journal Prototype Penerapan Internet of Things pada monitoring level air tandon menggunakan Not MCU ESP 8266 dan blank by Indra Gunawan, Taufik Akbar, dan Muhammad Giandi Ilham. So, please enjoy watching this video. In Jurnal Prototype Penerapan Internet of Things pada monitoring level air tandon menggunakan Not MCU ESP 8266 dan blank from Indra Gunawan, Taufik Akbar, and Muhammad Giandi Ilham, using the concept of IoT or Internet of Things. Human can control any device and anywhere as long as the device is connected to the internet. The sensor in the IoT network will function as detector and identify the parameter on the IoT device via wireless communication network so that they can obtain accurate data and control process in real time. This time there is a review of the journal entitled Prototype Penerapan Internet of Things pada monitoring level air tandon menggunakan Not MCU ESP 8266 dan blank. While the benefit of review the journal is can identify the result of this journal, namely a tools that can monitoring water stock and control the water stock we have in water reservoir more flexibly and effectively. Next, in this research, 4 main tools were used to be made into an IoT circuit. First, Not MCU ESP 8266 used to connect to internet. Second, blank, used for monitoring result output. Third, HCSR04 sensor used to read the water level in the water storage. And last, the relay used to keep the electric current stable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irma Nima Maunah. I will continue the presentation from Kori. First, I will explain about research and stage methods. Research methods. This research consists of several objects, both software and hardware. There are ultrasonic sensor, Not MCU ESP8266, smartphones, and relays as hardware, while the application being a software as well as a place of monitoring and manual control for relays. Next, stage methods. Stage in the design of this research are divided into 2 stages. There is a stage of design hardware and software design stage. The flowchart is start and then electronic material collection stage, hardware design stage, the manufacturing stage, testing, evaluation, and finish. Next, research concept framework. The concept framework in the research is how to make a prototype based on the workflow of the tool with various need analysis. Here is a flowchart of the framework of this research concept. We can do it with start, and first sensor will read the water level. Then the sensor will read to circumstances where the sensor stands with water is more than equal to 13 and less than equal to 12. If the sensor stand with water is more than equal to 13, the relay will disconnect the circuit and the water will automatically stop flow. But if the sensor resistance with water is less than 12, The system will send a notification and display it in the application, and then the relay will connect the circuit, and there is a process again where when the water is at the point will run out at the height of less than 4, then the relay disconnected the circuit and will repeat to the initial stage where the sensor will reach the water level and so on. Next research result, there are hardware prototype design and interface application result. Next, hardware prototype design. This research using artificial tendon.
Okay, this is application menu interface used in research. Well, beside it is the hardware interface used in research, which is a source of water storage. And then, this is application interface when the pump test result on and off.
This research has 6 conclusions. The first, manufacturing of IoT-based water level control device is already functioning properly, although there are some drawbacks. 2. Ultrasonic sensors measuring water level are then sent to the microcontroller after processing, then sent to Blink web server so that it can be accessed and displayed by the control application. 3. Displaying sensor reading result in the control application. Control of the water machine either manually or automatically can already function. 4. Notification when the water is the point will run out has also been functioning, but at the water level less than 2 cm sensor cannot detect it. 5. The water level in the control application will be continuously updated in real time if the microcontroller is connected to internet access and control application. 6. Preventing internet access from being interrupted, research continue to add switch outside the design system.
Our opinion in this journal has advantage and disadvantage. For the advantage are, this journal is that everything related to research is included in this journal, starting for tools used, the concept of manufacture, prototype design, and application to the research result. All are in the journal, but this journal have the disadvantage too. Disadvantage in this journal is lack of details, explanation of the flowchart and prototype drawings. The image should be not detailed so that the reader can understand the part of the image. In addition, the image quality is so bad. And finally, the tools used in hardware are not described as tools in the IoT circuit.
The last slide is conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion: based on a review of the paper above, it can be concluded that the concept of the IoT greatly facilitates our daily work in monitoring water stock and controlling the water stock that we have more flexibly and efficiently. Suggestion: improving the development of IoT concept is expected by the public, especially we as the next generation of the nation can take advantage of the internet network and become part of the world information community in order to continue to create new IoT concepts that are useful for the advancement of Indonesian technology. Thank you.